Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to clear your application cache for iOS 17, okay? So the first thing I want you to do, and the only thing actually that I want you to do is simply go to settings. Let me just go back to the landing page right there. Now, this should be the landing page, right? So there are two options to reach the section that I want you to go through. First is click on Generals and looking for iPhone storage. Now, for some reason you cannot find that specific section, just type in iPhone storage right there. Give me a second right here. Now, there will be a lot of results. Just simply click storage or type in storage right there. Okay? Once you're right there, this should be the landing page of your iPhone storage. Now, to offload an app or to clear your cache on an app, simply choose the specific app you want to clear the cache to, and then simply click on it. For example, Messenger. I want to clear this cache right here. There's only one button to press here, simply clicking the offload application. This button right here. So I'm not gonna click it actually because it will take actually 5 minutes or so, because it's a lot of data right there. I don't want it to take up much of your time. So just simply click on this one, wait for it to finish loading, and there you go. You just cleared the cache for Messenger, and just do the rest of the app. And thank you so much for watching. That's how you clear your cache for iOS 17. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.